They can legally lie. Do you know the counters? Here are the exact words that shut it down. In the United States, officers can use certain deceptions during interrogation. That surprises most people, which is why your best defense is knowing the rules and the script that stops the interview. Today, you'll learn the 3 biggest tricks and the step-by-step counter moves that work in real life. False confessions happen under pressure, especially when sleep, stress, and isolation stack up. Several states now restrict police deception with youth, including Illinois, Oregon, and Utah. Adults in most places still face these tactics, so let's break them down and build your defenses. Trick number 3 is the evidence bluff. You hear, "We have your DNA, we have your texts, just tell us your side." Courts have permitted limited deception like this when deciding whether a confession was voluntary. That doesn't mean you have to engage. Your counter move is simple and surgical. Do not argue facts in the room. Say, "I'm invoking my right to remain silent. I want a lawyer." Then stop talking. A clear request for counsel is the legal off switch for questioning. Not sure if you're even under arrest? Ask, "Am I free to leave?" If yes, leave calmly and without commentary. If no, you're in custody for Miranda purposes, so remain silent and repeat the lawyer request. Do not fill silence and do not try to explain. Trick number 2 is good cop, bad cop, and the false friendship routine. One officer turns up the heat while the other offers empathy, coffee, and a path to help yourself. It's designed to lower resistance and get you talking without realizing you're waiving rights. Your counter move does not change. Don't bond, don't bargain. Say, "I want a lawyer," and stop. Once you clearly ask, questioning should cease until counsel is present. Quick pause. If you want more real-world scripts like this, subscribe for weekly rights breakdowns. Trick number 1 is the false leniency pitch. You hear, "Confess now and it'll go easier," or "We can talk to the prosecutor for you." Police do not control charges or plea deals, prosecutors do. Promises of leniency from officers are not binding, and coercive promises can make a confession inadmissible. So do not negotiate outcomes in that room. Say, "I want a lawyer," and wait. If you're a minor, know that some states add extra protections. Illinois, Oregon, and Utah restrict police deception with youth, and California requires youth to consult an attorney before waiving rights in custodial interrogation. Here's your 60-second defense script. Step 1. Am I free to leave? If yes, leave calmly. If no, say, "I'm using my right to remain silent. I want a lawyer." Step 2. Stop talking until counsel is present. Don't sign anything and don't consent to searches. Step 3. Repeat the same sentence if the conversation restarts. Polite, calm, consistent. Let's recap so it sticks. Evidence bluff, they may pretend they have proof. Counter, don't debate. Invoke your right to remain silent and ask for a lawyer. Good cop, bad cop, and the friend routine. They try to build rapport and get you to open up. Counter, don't bargain. Ask for a lawyer and stop. False leniency. It'll go easier if you confess. Counter, police don't control deals. Wait for a lawyer. The law protects clear, calm requests more than clever explanations. Your words should be short, respectful, and repeatable under stress. Share this with someone who drives, dates, or hangs out late. Comment the next deep dive you want. Traffic stops, home searches, or social media stings. New episodes every week to keep you safe and informed. Laws vary by state. This is educational, not legal advice.